We are pleased to show you the 2019 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, front license plate bracket, inside you'll find heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, leather wrapped steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.